Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they want to do color mapping with 80% black. Color mapping does not work with blacks. So to do this, and this color mapping in this case would save a lot of time because each one of these is 13 inches across, so there's 13 inches or so between there, so you got a lot of dead space. So my suggestion would be to just grab these two and make them blue, grab these two and make them red. And I apologize, I do not have a laser hooked up to this laptop. And then when you run this in color mapping, and I've got several videos on how to do that, this gentleman understands how to do it. So just change the colors. I would test this on one board, and then because you can adjust your speed and power to kind of resemble, colors are going to engrave like black does. It all depends on the speed and the power. The only reason black has gradients is so you can do some shading and a little bit less engraving. But if you find this blue and you go to a certain power, a certain speed on one of your test samples to see if you like it, then what will happen when you color map, it'll engrave this, go up and engrave that, then it'll go to the red, green, and just pick some normal colors. And I apologize, I do not have a printer or a laser hooked up to this printer or this laptop. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for